Marusha, remember me, the best YouTuber of the Japan and all around countries. Do not mention that my channel was terminated and I am fucking killed. I am here and I am still alive, yeah. And there is our lovely friend Usada Pekora that been bullied by motherfucker last time and she's very upset. Pekora, come here, say something. Don't be so depressed. I got for you something sweet. Yes, yes. Drink this, please. Yeah, that's legendary hard drink from Russia. Very nice beer. Baltic 9. Everybody know. Blows your brain away. Are you alright, Pekora? Nah. Don't ask me, bitch. Okay, it's alright. Now I'm the leader of this show and she just a follower. That so happens in this life. Yeah, I fucking got you. Just said few Russian words. Okay, you just imagine this. No one heard this except the Pekora. Yeah. Okay, back to review. Look at this. What do you see, Pekora? A girl that showing us her ass. Oh yes, red hair, two-tail, so like motherfuckers like another red hair girl. Yeah, and the name of her is SHANA. You're so nice, you're so smart, Pekora. Fucking bitch. Yes, this is the SHANA from the very famous anime series mangas and even a game. I don't really know about this, but so set in the internet information. Okay. SHANA. It's very nice character. We have only this figure and some action figure of unknown creator. Very strange design. In some bendings without closures, strange joints. I just don't know what the fuck is that. And now, finally, we got the FIGMA of SHANA. Yeah, fire-eyed, flame-haired, red haze, red mist. I don't know. Really interesting thing. Haze or mist. It's two words in English describing some strange conditions of water when it's coming to the air and looking like some unknown substance from another world. What you said? Don't look at her. She's overrated, over fucking hated, overhyped by motherfucker, saying bullshit and you believe it. Shut up, Pekora. Мое время. My time to set you in place. You said Russian words. I really hear everybody here. You said мое время. I have to remember Remind you that this is only the first review in only English. This mistake could happen. Okay, don't bother. I fucked this shit. Okay. Back to review. I tell you some interesting information about this figure. This figure was produced in 2008. Can you imagine? It's the only beginning of FIGMA productions. The very start, yeah. The number of this figure is 025. First 100. Always loved by motherfucker, yeah. Motherfucker is the owner of this channel, if you don't remember, by the way. Let's drink another portion of Baltic 9. Shana, you drink too. And Pekra, I will not give you a beer. You're so distressed and depressed and you fucking shit. Okay. So this is the FIGMA SHANA Flamed Hair version. SHAKUGAN, no SHANA. FIGMA SHANA is here, ready to face her enemies with her hair dyed a deep crimson. Yeah, like my eyes. Do you love my eyes, my beautiful Urusha eyes? It's so wonderful. Bitch, you spent already 7 minutes of the review without showing actual figure. Shut up, this is my show. Fuck yourself and your rabbits. So embarrassing. Shana, come here, finally. Look at this. Oh, she's amazing, she's a gorgeous one. She's so old, but she's so beautiful. I come already. Look at this, look. So nice texture, so nice paint, so nice physics and sculpt. Very good. Look at this. You can't believe that this figure is made in 2008. Really hard to imagine, but this is true. Very nice. Thanks for former owner for good conditions of this figure. We appreciate this very much. Her school uniform, black texture of her legs, was a stockings. She put the stockings, black stockings, boots, school boots. She has articulated hair. Do you believe that? No? I will show you. Look at this. Just transparent ends of the hairs. Very good. Very nice. So rare in the FIGMA. And she has articulated one pieces. Look. Take this one. It moves. It's really fucking moves. Yeah. And another one. What? What do you see? Yeah, it's fucking moves. So we move this one and this one. And the hair spread wider, much wider. It's give a look of expression that wind blowing and she's standing right there. Yeah, very nice. Look at the articulations, please. Head. Move like this, just like this. Some rotations, left and right. She has ball joints in her waist, able her to move back and forward. Yeah. Oh, there's a nice view. Hands is always as early FIGMA joints. Very nice articulation. Look at this angle. So good. Old-fashioned finger. If you understand what I'm talking to you. Yes, baby, I saying to you very true. Look at her pants. Motherfucker so love this point of view. She loves the pants of every figure. Let's look at it. Oh my god, this is white pants. Yeah. Pekora, something. Say something. Go to hell. Okay, we're already in hell. So look at this hair. Articulations of the leg. Spread. It's a nice spread and split. Whoa, oh my god, this is fucking rated. Okay, look at this knee articulation. Nice, not bad, not bad. You can make in some action poses with her. Same with the other leg. Articulation of her feet. Very nice. It's a good girl after all. Everything is perfect. Yeah. So go to her accessories. She have everything. Yeah. Despite she's a pure fellow, homeless pure fellow, she have all accessories except her cartoon back box, cartoon box, and the protecting plastic surroundings, plastic blister. I don't know if she's already breaking English again. Is there a blister in English? Shut up. Long-haired, long-eared bitch, and go away. Okay, let's look at her accessories. There's so much of them. Original FIGMA back as always. Yay! I hope you love my almost ASMR voice. Do you love my voice? Yeah. Open this box and look at the content. Already we see the standard FIGMA base. Yeah. Old and dusty but still original FIGMA with all kind of special adapter. Yeah. Is it come for me? Able? Yeah, so little hole in my back. Doesn't work. Okay. I'm not surprised. I'm not very not. So fucking good katana. Look at this. Wow. So nice. Very fucking good. Another faceplate. She's smiling here, yeah. Bun. Always love these buns, and I have one. So much changeable parts of her hands. Look at this, so much hands. Fists, pointing fingers, grabbing hands. Pointing fingers, another grabbing hand. Wow, it's so much. Just a relaxed hand. Yeah. Let's do something with figure. Let's change her face for once. For the start, I guess. Change the face for a smiling one. Yeah, you will like it already. Look at this gorgeous girl. She's so nice. And I want to give her katana in hand. So I have to take this hand. Look, this is not moving part. This is for not for this. Not sorry, but this is not for this. But for what then? I don't understand. She have only katana. For what this? For I don't want to imagine about this. Which is one need to hold the katana? I just wonder. This comes apart? No, not comes apart. Don't understand. I don't understand. But this is true. Okay, now we see how Uruharusha failed all the review. She cannot find the right hand for katana. You're so pity, bitch. Now I drink Baltic 9. Pekra, this is not my fault. There is no such hand in this stuff. I don't understand what is happening, and this is true. Don't justificate yourself. Defecate yourself, bitch. Come and take a dump, you. What? Okay, this is not a problem. SHANA is still good figure. Everybody, I'm talking to you. Da. No. Yes, yeah, of course, yes. Take this figure in your collection and bother yourself with finding the right hand for katana. Damn it. Suicide should be the right way. I'm gonna tap my veins right after this video. You will never see me again. I'm gonna just fucking die. Do you wanna drink? Yes, please. Okay, drink as far as you can. I'm done. Hey, life torches, you gonna fade away? One day you will disappear and no one remember well. No one will ever remember you. Enjoy your life today, tomorrow you may be dead. Bye bye.